Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all available programs in a Beko drying machine. So we're gonna go clockwise to the right. So the first one is cotton, then we have the cotton eco, synthetic, mix and towels. Then there's the gentle care, daily. Here we have the time programs steam cure, and you may select from the programs between 10 and 160 minutes to achieve the desired drying level at low temperature. In this program, tumble dryer operations lasts for the set time independently from the dryness of laundry. Steam cure is a refreshing function, making ironing easier on less worn cloths and reducing outdoors cigarette, food, etc. to medium air. And next is jeans. Then we have the outdoor or sports cloth. Then there's the downwear. Then there's the shirts. Next is express super short. Next is hygienic drying. And the last one is hygienic refresh. And that's all of the programs available for this drying machine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.